everyone, this is Upasana Singh and I welcome you all to Deepagar's Den. Today, Deepagar's Den is back with some of the awesome job opportunities. The opportunities are from the companies like Microsoft, Upstox, ServiceNow, and so on. So make sure you watch this video till end. So let's get started with the video. The first opportunity is from the Microsoft. Microsoft is hiring for the position of software engineer. The location will be Hyderabad, Telangana, India. You can apply for this position by clicking on this button and you will find this link in the description box below. Moving forward with the roles and responsibilities, so requirements are 1+ years of experience of software development experience with languages like C, C++, C Sharp, or Java. You should be having the good experience in system programming and coding skills. You should be having the good knowledge of data structure, algorithm, asynchronous architectures, and distributed algorithms. Also, the qualification, you should be having at least BS or higher qualification or equivalent experience. The qualification that will add up to your application will be the knowledge of networking and distributed systems, knowledge in Kubernetes, networking and network resilience, having the good experience in cloud development, or having the experience in Azure, AWS, GCP. So if you have these skills, then they will your application will definitely stand out than others. So I hope the things are clear to you. You can apply for this position by clicking on this button. Now let's move forward to the next opportunity, that is from Tata Alexsi. So they are hiring for they are having their off-campus recruitment online registration for the batch 2021 and 2022 batch. Eligibility criteria is the students who are passing out in 2021 or 2022 batch students. Education will be considered if you are in the domain of B.Tech, ME, MTech, MS, MCA, MSc. And also, if you should not be having any backlogs and you should not be having more than 1 year of a gap in education. Your minimum cutoff should be 60%. That is, your minimum percentage throughout your 10th and 12th will be at least 60% or 6 CGPA aggregates. Now, the branches they are hiring for are these all, and that includes so many branches. So if you are from one of these branches, then you can definitely apply for this position. To apply for this position, you need to click on the link given to the description box below, and after that you'll get this form and you need to fill this form to submit your application. And also, if you get qualified or if your application gets selected, then they will take a 120-minute online proctor test, which will be having verbal, analytical, coding, MCQs, and coding. That will be held on the Saturday from 4 to 6 p.m. So make sure you get ready with all these things, all these verbal and coding, MCQs, and coding things, so that you can give the test and you can stand out in this test also. I hope this thing was also clear. Now let's move on to our next opportunity. So the next opportunity is from Comet Chat. Comet Chat is also hiring for the software development and software engineer, and this is for the freshers. So this is a huge opportunity for the freshers. You can apply for this position by clicking on this apply now button. The location is Mumbai. Now, discussing further, so the roles and responsibilities you can read from here that you'll get after getting selected into this company. Now, what they want is you should be having a good understanding of OOPS concept. You should be having good analytical and problem solving skills. You should be good with writing code, and you should be having the good understanding of software development lifecycle. Other than this, if you have the good knowledge of HTML5, JavaScript, PHP, Node.js, then that will be an additional advantage. This will help you to stand out in your application. So I think these are all things are clear to you, and you can apply for this position as well. So let's now move on to the next opportunity. The next opportunity is from the ServiceNow. Again, ServiceNow is hiring for the software engineer position, and the work persona will be flexible and employee type will be regular here. Let's read about the qualification they needed. So they needed at least 0 to 2+ years of experience with Java or similar or object-oriented language. Also, if you have a good passion for JavaScript and a web as a platform, then that will add it to your application. You should be having a good knowledge of data structure, algorithms, OS, or object-oriented programming, design patterns, and other subjects like which includes in the computer science. You should, if you have if you are having the experience with UI frameworks like Angular, React, or Vue, analytical and design skills, then that will add up to your resume. So I hope these things are also clear to you. The qualification needed is clear to you. So this was all about the service now, and you can apply for this. Apply for this as well. So let's move on to the next company, which is from the Upstox. Upstox is again hiring for the software development engineer graduate 2022. So this is again a very good opportunity for the freshers, and they are hiring for the location Bangalore and Mumbai. So let's see what they want in the application. So in this application, you need to connect your LinkedIn profile. You need to have your need to attach your resume. So make sure you have a good resume and LinkedIn profile prepared by in front of you. And now these are all the things you need to fill, and after filling, you can submit this application for this Upstox. Upstox is again a great opportunity to apply for, so you can definitely consider Upstox. Now let's move on to the next opportunity, that is from the IBM. So IBM is hiring for the software developer position, and again this is a very good opportunity. And roles and responsibilities you can read, and the city they are hiring for is the Bangalore. And the requirement education is a bachelor's degree, and the position type will be entry level, and it will be a full-time job. Now moving forward, the things they want is you should be having minimum of 2 to 7 years of experience in C or Java or Linux. You should be good with your OS fundamentals. You should be having a good verbal and written communication skills. You should be having a knowledge of Docker, Kubernetes, OCP, Golang preferred. So if you have these knowledge, then these are not mandatory, but if you have these knowledge, then that will be add up to your resume or application. Other than these things, the preferred technical and professional expertise is in, if you are familiar with JSP and web services, then that will be a plus to your application. You can consider applying to IBM. Again, IBM is a very, very good opportunity, and you can apply for it by clicking on this apply now button. Let's move on to the next opportunity, that is from the Hexaview. Again, Hexaview is hiring for the software quality engineer, and the expertise is fresher. The location they are hiring for is Noida. Eligibility criteria is BTech, MCA, MTech 2021. So the job description is given below, and you can read about it. Read about it, and if you want to apply, you can apply to the link given below in the description box. So the last opportunity is from the Optum. Optum is hiring for the Associate Software Engineer 1. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. You can apply by clicking on this apply button here, and let's see what they all want. The preferred qualification is at least bachelor's degree, and the roles and responsibilities will be you should be able to write Python code and test it, and there's some other things which will become under responsibilities. You can read by the clicking on the link given into the description box. And the additional job informations are given for here, that is the schedule will be full time and the country will be India, which we have already discussed. So these are all the things, and if you are interested in this, again Optum is a very good company, and you can definitely consider this as a career. So as a start of the career. So you can click on this apply button and you can get this opportunity. You can fill the application form. So that was all about this video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel. And if you have any query, then you can comment that query in the comment section below. We'll definitely consider your queries, and if you want any other video, then please let us know in the comment section below. We will definitely come with that also. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and keep watching our videos.